My experience in developing pro bono service has been in the creation and nurturing of a program called Create-a-thon. Pro bono service helps companies in a number of different ways. It helps to give a lot of uniformity and commitment to rallying around causes that are important to the employees and to the company and to the community.
Pues yo creo que lo más importante o más relevante de este European Pro Bono Summit es la capacidad de reunir a instituciones y entidades de todo el mundo, todas en torno al pro bono, al voluntariado basado en habilidades. Es el intercambiar las mejores prácticas, el conocer qué están haciendo otros, y es una magnífica oportunidad para conocer todo esto y para estrechar lazos y establecer posibles colaboraciones. La Fundación Hazloposible impulsa este encuentro porque está en nuestro mismo ADN. Nuestro propio ADN lo que nos hace es conectar, servir de puente entre las ONGs que necesitan ayuda, servicios, conocimientos.
In Uganda, and then in particular in Africa, industrial and corporate, it's not been embraced as yet, and I think there's really a lot which can be done through the partnerships of intermediaries, corporates, non-for-profits, to make sure that the idea of pro bono spreads out not only through the promoters but to also the beneficiaries of pro bono services. Well, the European Pro Bono Summit and especially offers a unique opportunity in terms of course, meeting with the different pro bono players. At the same time, it also reinforces the element of partnerships, especially with the corporates, to invest and of course collaborate.
The pro bono movement is in its best moment because at this moment in time we have individuals who are eager to make a difference in their communities. The challenges facing our communities are growing, but we can solve them if we bring together the talents of the business community with the drive and the passion of the NGO community. Pro bono offers a pathway to make that possible. Recently, there's been a number of new trends in pro bono volunteerism, particularly as it relates to leadership development and the use of technology. Technology has changed so much in the last 10 years, and the consideration as to how to best use technology as a pro bono resource is an ongoing and critical topic to ensure that NGOs remain relevant and able to best leverage technology resources.
Pro bono is present in Hungary just like in many other European countries. What is the difference in the past few years that there is more organized and conscious pro bono, so there is more methodology, and this way the impact is much stronger. I think it's wonderful to come together for the third time on a European level, and the effect of this summit is probably most important for those people who could come and participate in the workshops, listen to the presentations and really share experiences, because the level of maturity is very different in the different European countries. But in the same time, I think come together every year is important, because we send a message and we show to the external world, for those companies or intermediaries that could not make it to the particular place, this time to Madrid, that pro bono is alive, it's strong and it's growing.